our faculty member, Dean Sahiban, students, Assalamu alaikum. Sir, it is great honor to welcome you here at بیوٹمز, and we are so eager to hear from you about the plans which you have for Pakistan and in particular Balochistan. The last 3 days I've spent in Islamabad under Iran, Pakistan. I think from university perspective, two things came out, and I think my colleague would support that. University is the engine for growth, for the economic growth. So university in future, whether exist or not exist in terms of teaching domain, maybe not undergraduate, or it will reshape itself. The facilities of innovation, and that comes from universities. And if you see that model in Singapore, you see that model in US, you see any model in any developed countries, innovation has driven mainly from universities and then they gone into industry, not universities following industry. So that is one thing which I'm sure that this is very close to the heart to support the universities in terms of making it happen, in terms of taking away all the problems or all the hiccups, bureaucratic problems, and maybe investment in universities. And second thing is that if you want to see the Iran Pakistan, you mentioned about very clearly about implementation. Who's going to do that implementation? You need skilled and competent people. And in our students, that's what we want to prepare, and that's what we're preparing. So unless we have students who are competent and who are the integrity element or ethics element, which is close to their heart. So these two things which we are keeping very close to our ethos and our principles at بیوٹمز. تو آپ سے یہی گزارش اور خواہش ہے کہ if you see and provide opportunity for our students in terms of internships, in terms of their growth, I think we will welcome that. I don't want to take too much time because we want to hear you, not all these people not gathered to hear me today. So I welcome you again, and I'm sure that you'll enjoy your interaction with us.